There's actually a lot of things that factor into whether a dent can be repaired using paintless dent repair. And size isn't the only thing that matters here. So what we had here is a very, very, very sharp dent with a serious crease in the passenger side rear door of this Chevy Bolt. We were removing this today using paintless dent repair. It came out fantastic. There's limits to what paintless dent repair can do, but if your vehicle is a candidate for paintless dent repair, it's the best option available. If you'd like to find out if your damage is a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. We're also conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.